In a suspected case of moral policing, 5 persons in the Sulia region of Dakshina Kannada district in Karnataka allegedly attacked a young man and his female friend who were going for a movie in the town on Wednesday, police said. They have registered a case of assault against the 5 persons. Abdul Hamid, Ashraf, Sadiq, Jabir and Siddiq, based on a complaint from Muhammad Imtiaz, who said that he and his female friend were attacked while they were waiting to watch the popular movie Kantara at the Santosh Talkies in Sulia. According to police, moral policing incidents are common in the communally divided Dakshina Kannada region. However, both the boy and girl who were allegedly attacked belong to the same community as the assailants, police said. It is not clear whether the couple had been attacked on the theatre premises suspected of being in a relationship between the two or due to any other reasons, police said.